Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut that pocket. Alright, I will consider 4 3/4, sorry, 4 1/2. 4 1/2, we'll consider 4 1/2, and so this is 4 1/2. Okay, 4 1/2. We'll come down here, 4 1/2, to have a uniform measurement. That is the width. All right, and so all we need to do is, for the width, now to mark the two lines that are being marked. All right, so you rule them together. All right, the length of the pocket is 6. Okay, it should be 6 all through. 6. If it's more than 6, we take off the excess. Okay, it is more than 6 here. All right, so all we need to do is to trim. All right, we've gotten that. And so the next thing to do is your curve. If you look at the pocket, you see that there is a curve here. There's a curve here. All right, you can achieve that curve by using make use of your French curve to get that particular curve. You can decide to use your free hand. Okay, so I'll use my free hand to get that curve. Okay, my free hand to get the curve. All right, so this is the curve. My free hand to get the curve. All right, and so what we need to do now is take your scissors and cut. Okay, all right, so that is the curve. Now I do not want all right, so this is what I want, a smooth curve. Okay, please try your best that your curve will be smooth. Now after doing this, make sure you it is the gumming part. Okay, the gumming part that is gummy, okay, that is having gum, that you make this curve by your right. Okay, all right, so all we need to do is we'll now look for a fabric. I'm making use of this fabric as my pocket. Make use of this, or use this fabric as my pocket. And so all I need to do is you place this on this. But what I will do is, first of all, make use of your hemming gum. Okay, for a good result, please first of all iron this fabric. Iron the fabric. As you can see now, I've ironed it already. And so what I will do is, this hem stay, I will gum the paper against the hem stay for it to be glued to the fabric perfectly and beautifully, so that the outside of it will come out beautiful. Okay, beautiful. And so I will arrange it properly. I'll arrange it properly. So this, okay, I'll place it here. Okay. All right, please do not forget. Do not forget. Do not forget. Okay. And so I'll place it this way. Place it this way and give it a good ironing. And give it a good ironing. Alright. Give it a good ironing. Take it to the iron and please your iron. After ironing, I'll show you. Alright, I'm through ironing. I'm through ironing it. Alright. And so as you can see, look at it. I'm through ironing it. Alright. And so all I need to do is to cut, leaving half or 3/4 of an inch. If possible, half is better. Okay. All right. Okay. So what I need to do is from here to here, I'll gum it. All right. So watch me. I'll place it this way, and I will iron it. I will iron it. Okay. All right. Time will not permit me to show you the ironing. Okay, the process of ironing. But this is what I'll do. I'll put. I will iron it first to get my sharp curve here. Okay. After ironing it, then I'll now put hemming gum along the side and iron again to glue the fabric to this pocket. Okay, peace. All right, when I'm through, I'll show you. All right, thank you for watching the part 1 of these pocket design. All right, watch out for part 2. If you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe. For my old subscribers, thank you for joining us, and share this video with others, and do not forget to click on like. Okay, see you in our next video.